Binalikan namin yung dating okay lang na steak spot sa SM Mega Mall. It's been 2 years since my last post about United Steak and I'm so happy to report nag-improve na sila ng bongga. But wait, Dex Siomai muna tayo for appetizer. Katabi lang siya ng United Steak, kaya automatic na yan. Perfect starter habang naghihintay ng main event. Naalala ko before, hindi ko nagustuhan yung mashed potato nila kasi clumpy. Pero now, the texture is so smooth and the taste is much better. Even the creamy spinach improved a lot. Wala na yung dating matabang na vibe. Lasang-lasa na ang effort. Now for the real star, the rib eye. Dati medyo matigas siya, to be honest. But now, super tender. Cooked really well and lasang premium na. Best part, ang mura pa rin for 300 plus. By the way, nasa tabi lang ng supermarket ng United Steak, magkabilayan sila. My only complaint, sana dagdagan pa ang tables and chairs kasi laging puno. But for the price and quality, solid revisit. Tag your steak buddy and try nyo na sa Mega Mall. Kami, babalikan namin to for sure for the quality and the price. Lalo na if you're craving for steak, pero you're on a budget. Kung di mo naman trip kumain sa labas, they're also selling their steak sa loob ng supermarket. You can just cook it at home. Craving satisfied agad-agad. Tatry ko din yan next time.